Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to compare the Moto X70 Fusion versus Moto X60 Pro versus Moto X70 device. So which is the best phone to buy right now during the Flipkart sale? And the first thing, let's compare the pricing of all of these smartphones. I selected the 250GB storage models regarding the pricing. So how much it's available at this moment. The main reason is because a lot of people are showing interest to buy the 256GB storage because nowadays the 128GB is not that much sufficient. So even though the 128GB available in this Moto X70 Fusion, so which cost around close to 29,499 rupees. And let me to show you the lowest price in the Moto X60 Pro for the 250GB storage, which is at 29,999 and 27,999 for the 8GB and 250GB storage. So regarding the value for money deal, these both phones are really very good when you compare with the Moto X70 Fusion. So this is where you are getting confused. Do not buy Moto X70 Fusion because the Moto X60 Pro is available for a very good discount. Okay, so listen to me guys, do not buy this device. Buy this phone only if you want battery. If you want 7000 mAh of battery, that's the only one scenario you have to buy this phone. Okay, rest of the things are completely better in the Moto X60 Pro and the other devices. So that's what I'm going to explain in this video. And right now this is out of stock. Okay, if it is in the stock, the price will be around 27,999 after the bank offer, which is exactly close to the Moto Edge 70 as well. So this is a 256GB storage you are getting less than the price of Moto Edge 70 Fusion. So that's a one bonus point. Okay, since the 256GB 8GB RAM model is not available in all the colors, so I selected the 12GB RAM. Okay, look at the 12GB RAM. Even 12GB RAM is lower than the Moto X70 Fusion's 12GB RAM model. Okay, so after this price 33,999 rupees, you do get 2,000 rupees discount from the HDFC credit card. So look at the price for this one. So 31,999 is for the 8GB and 250GB, and 12GB RAM is 33,999 rupees. And this is offering only 1,000 discount, which will come down to 32,999. And this offers 2,000 rupees discount, 31,999 rupees. So overall, in every aspect of the storage, the Moto X60 Pro is really the good option to buy. So what I'm trying to say is that if you are planning to buy the 250GB storage or 12GB RAM version, buy the Moto X60 Pro. So do not think twice. So the battery difference is 7,000 versus 6,000, but you will get better performance. So if you are planning to use for the long-term usage, you need performance. Okay, and which is offered in this Moto X60 Pro device. So Dimensity 8350 Extreme processor, which is definitely twice the powerful than the Moto X70 Fusion regarding the performance wise. So performance is good, and the camera wise, this is best camera when you compare with the Moto X70 Fusion. So camera wise also 50-50 plus 50 megapixel front camera combination is really good. So camera wise is good, and the performance wise is also really fantastic. And overall wireless charging support is also available in case if you want to use that wireless charging. So it feels value for money deal is a Moto X60 Pro. Look at the pricing. It's like 12GB, 250GB storage, 31,999. And the Moto X70 Fusion, same 12GB, 250GB, 32,999. Even if you select the lowest RAM version, okay, 8GB plus 250GB storage, there is only difference of like 1,000 rupees difference is there, not much difference between the both phones. As you can see, 31,999, 8GB, 250GB storage, and after the bank offer, 30,999 versus 31,999. And you are getting 12GB RAM and you are getting 8GB RAM in the Moto X70 Fusion. So that is how the pricing is at this moment, guys. And the Moto H70 is the best option in case if you want very slim phone. Okay, if you want very slim phone and very light phone. But the thing is that this phone has got battery of only 5,000 mAh of battery, so which may not be sufficient for a lot of other users. So if you are kind of person who like can charge every day, then this phone is good one. The Moto X70 Fusion is perfect phone, which is very light phone as well. So you'll feel pretty comfortable using this phone for long-term durations. So that's also really good. And the big screen display is also there, 6.7 inches. The display is not compromised, and 159 grams only. So if you try to compare with other phones, let's try to compare how much grams difference is there. So you might be able to understand. So this phone, I think 186 grams, 156 grams. Close to like 30 grams difference is there. So 30 gram difference is not like huge, but still that's a very light phone, the Moto X70. So performance wise, pretty decent. Camera is also good. Display is also good. Everything is good. So if you want that light phone and in this kind of budget, without any bank offers, only you're getting this kind of deal. So with the bank offer, you'll get definitely another further discount, Flipkart Axis Bank discount, as you can see. So overall, this is a phone for the people who wants a light phone and who don't want any kind of battery for 2 days of lasting and not much performance if they don't need. This phone is good one. The Moto X60 Pro is perfect value for money deal in this scenario when you compare with all the three smartphones, because this phone offers performance, this phone offers very good camera, and the battery is also pretty decent, like 6000 mAh, maintaining in between these two phones. So it's a kind of all-round package you are getting in the Moto X60 Pro device. So trust me guys, think before you buy the Moto X70 Fusion. Compare the both phones, all the models, all the versions. Because for the same price, if you're getting 12 GB RAM, why will you buy the 8 GB RAM version? Like unless and until you want battery backup, 1000 mAh, but still I will choose the 12 GB RAM over that 1000 mAh battery. Because if you're a kind of person who can charge every day, then better to choose the 12 GB RAM and experience that very smooth experience, very smooth performance throughout the time when you're trying to use the phone without compromising the performance. So that's what I do feel. The phone may be smooth right now, but after a couple of years, 1 or 2 years, the processor will matter a lot and the RAM will